Today we explore the concept of AI transparency, highlighting its significance in fostering trustworthy and responsible AI systems. By shedding light on the inner workings of artificial intelligence, AI transparency plays a crucial role in building trust, ensuring accountability, and promoting ethical practices in the development and deployment of AI technologies. The importance of AI transparency, building trust and responsible AI. Understanding AI transparency. AI transparency encompasses various aspects that contribute to the openness and clarity of AI systems. It involves making the decision-making processes, data sources, algorithms, and biases explicit and understandable to stakeholders, including users, developers, and regulators. Building trust through AI transparency. Explainability. Transparent AI systems provide clear and interpretable explanations for their decisions, enabling users to understand and trust the outcomes. This transparency helps alleviate concerns and skepticism around the black box nature of AI algorithms. Error detection and correction. Transparent AI allows for easier identification of errors or biases in the system's outputs. By uncovering and rectifying such issues promptly, trust in the AI system can be maintained or restored. User empowerment. AI transparency empowers users to validate and challenge the system's outputs, promoting a collaborative relationship between humans and AI. Users can provide feedback, correct erroneous data, and actively participate in improving AI models. Responsible AI and ethical considerations. AI transparency is an essential component of responsible AI, which aims to mitigate potential risks and ensure ethical practices. Key ethical considerations include: Bias and discrimination. Transparent AI facilitates the identification and mitigation of biases in training data and algorithmic decision-making, leading to fair and unbiased outcomes. Privacy and data protection. Transparent AI systems ensure that users have a clear understanding of how their data is collected, stored, and utilized, promoting transparency and trust in data handling practices. Accountability and explainability. Transparent AI enables accountability by providing clear explanations for decisions made by the system. This is especially crucial in high-stakes domains such as healthcare or finance, where human lives or financial well-being are at stake. Industry-specific applications of AI transparency. AI transparency holds relevance across various industries, including healthcare. Transparent AI in healthcare can enhance patient trust, enable explainable diagnoses, and assist in treatment decision-making processes. Finance. Transparent AI models in finance can aid in detecting fraudulent activities, ensuring compliance with regulations, and providing transparent explanations for credit scoring or loan decisions. Legal and judicial systems. AI transparency can support legal professionals and judges by providing insights into the reasoning behind AI-generated recommendations or predictions, thereby ensuring fair and just outcomes. Striving for continuous improvement. To achieve optimal AI transparency, ongoing efforts are required, such as transparent model development. Developers should document and communicate the entire life cycle of AI models, including data collection, pre-processing, feature engineering, and training methodologies. External auditing. Independent audits and certifications can validate the transparency and accountability of AI systems, instilling confidence in users and regulators. User education. Raising awareness and providing education on AI transparency empowers users to understand the limitations and potentials of AI systems, making them more informed consumers of AI-driven products and services. Conclusion. AI transparency serves as a crucial foundation for building trust, accountability, and responsible AI practices. By embracing transparency in AI systems, we can foster greater public acceptance, mitigate biases, and ensure ethical and responsible deployment of AI technologies across diverse industries.